Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Programming Concepts for Kids. Part 3. What is a computer? A computer is like a smart helper. It can remember things, memory, follow instructions, programs, do calculations fast, math. Example: your tablet can play videos, games, and music because it follows instructions. Hardware and software. Hardware: the parts you can touch. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, robot arms. Software: the instructions the computer follows. Games, apps, scratch projects. Computational thinking. Thinking like a computer to solve problems. Break big problem into small parts. Look for patterns. Plan steps, algorithm. Try, test, fix mistakes. Computational thinking steps. Break problem into smaller pieces. Look for patterns. Plan steps, algorithm. Test and debug. Algorithm: a list of steps to solve a problem. Example: making a sandwich. Take bread. Add butter. Add jam. Eat it. Computers need power. Computers work only when they have power. Example: no battery. Tablet won't turn on. Files and folders. Computers keep things organized. Example: folder equals school bag. File equals book inside bag. Screens in Windows. Computers show things in windows. Example: one window for game, one for music. Internet: a big world of connected computers. Example: watch videos, play games, learn online. Storage: place where computer keeps data. Example: photos, videos, games stored inside. Cloud. Storage on the internet. Example. Photos saved online so you can see them anywhere. Input devices. Things used to give instructions to a computer. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, camera. Output devices. Things that show results. Screen, printer, speaker, robot arm. Input and output in life. Input. What you give. Output. What happens as a result. Example. Input. Push elevator button. Output. Elevator comes down. Log in and log out. Entering and leaving your account. Example. Log in to play your game. Passwords. A secret word to keep things safe. Example. Like locking your diary. Testing. Check if your program works. Example. Play your game to see if it's fun. Online safety. Stay safe on the internet. Rules for kids. Don't share name or address. Ask an adult before clicking links. Events. Something happens when you do an action. Example. Click button. Play sound. Press space. Character jumps. Events and triggers. Something happens automatically when an action occurs. Example: when you click the flag. Start game. When timer equals 0. End game. Debugging step by step. Find mistakes. Fix. Test again. Important skill for all programmers. Example: character doesn't jump. Check jump block. Fix. Try again. Abstraction, simplifying. Take complex things and simplify them for understanding. Example: drive a car instead of thinking about pressing pedals, steering, signals individually. Lists. Arrays. Store many pieces of information together. Example: list of friends' names. List of collected coins in a game. Events in daily life. Computers respond to events just like life. Example: doorbell rings. You answer the door. Timer rings. You stop playing. Loops in life. Doing something again and again until a goal is reached. Example: brush teeth 3 times. Jump rope 5 times. If-else decisions. Make choices based on a condition. Example: if it rains, take umbrella. Else, wear hat. Debugging mistakes. Fixing problems step by step. Example: toy car doesn't move. Check batteries. Fix. Try again. Variables around us. Things that can change. Example: score in a game. Number of candies in a jar. Speed of a bicycle. Functions. Actions. A set of steps you can use again. Example: Jump button, same jump every time. Draw square, same square anywhere. Lists. Collections. Store many items together. Example. Grocery list. List of game characters. Cards in a deck. Updates. Computers get better with updates. Example. Game update. New levels. Fun kid-friendly tools for learning. Scratch, drag and drop coding for stories and games. Blockly, block-based coding. Code.org, beginner-friendly puzzles and games. Tinker, interactive coding lessons. Fun kid-friendly tools for learning. Scratch, drag and drop coding for stories and games. Blockly, block-based coding. Code.org, beginner-friendly puzzles and games. Tinker, interactive coding lessons. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.